Nebraska or something. The shot is so clear. Is this a hoax? Are you really in space still?
I don't know. We're going to have to do something for you.
I want to do it. Oh, yeah, I can do that. Watch this.
The 1980s, so the music was different, the hairstyle was different, the clothes we wore were different than today, but probably in 5 or 10 years it'll be the same. And in school, I was just like you, probably all of you there.
Once I push start, the treadmill belt will start moving, and I'll just follow the protocol. Great run. Not quite the same as being out in the fresh air with the wind in your face, but a nice alternative.